endurance, strength, balance, resistance, rage, power, speed, endurance, strength, balance, resistance. I'm a titan. I'm a motherfucking titan.
Time limit, cause I'm robbing finna. I got stacks rolling, cause I move units. Always in me now, cause I ain't quit it. I done top of my game, I got the sauce, so here comes the pain. I got the energy, I got the power to stop all my enemies. Cutting them up like we're having a surgery. Slicing them up, you can call it fatality.
Rage, power, speed, endurance, strength, balance, resistance, rage. I got a song, so here comes the pain. I got a song, so here comes the pain. Let's do this. Oh yeah, I'm a titan.
Straight through, I see me, I see you. Your body's calling, I'ma blow your back, I'll show you. Put your hands up, shake it fast on me. I'm the pimp you need. 10 G's in my pocket and I'm ready to roll over. Don't stop, get ready, drop. Just turn around and make it pop, pop. Just drop, drop. I like that, girl, twerk that back. I like that, girl, freak that back. I like that, that's where the money at. I like that, girl, freak that back. Some of these dudes be wildin' now, got my back against the wall, girl, I like it. Why you feel me burning in between a fight, temptation rolling over me. I can feel the vibration getting off on me. Ooh, don't stop, get ready, drop. Just turn around and make it pop, pop. Just drop, drop. I like that, girl, twerk that back. I like that, girl, freak that back. I like that, that's where the money at. I like that, girl, freak that back.
Even if you're not ready for the day, it cannot always be night. Flex out the work. Sing something like Mike. It's out of sight. You thought me bite. 2 men like I. 6 out the spot. Into the night. Yeah, this life I'm living. All the advice been tipped in. Give me that grip, no slipping. Out of my mind, going tripping. Tell me take 2 when I'm on 1. That look out like no one. Get real tight like your son. Let's go. Still outside, still outside, still outside. Tell me pilot, still outside, still outside, still outside, still outside. Look at these scenes, I open my life, I'm so gentleman. I find if you, I publish your dreams, an angel on earth, come under my wing. Stop running your publishers, they publish their headlines, I say the wrong things. You treat your law, you save you like rentals insurance, you know what I mean? Bada the boom, my bada the boom, my bada the bing. My need a new girl, my owner was mean. I had to let go, forgave all the evils that came to my show. Telling them back, all in the bow. But I challenge the trust, I challenge the top, but let's get with the life. I got up my sinners and ask if I'm right. Let's get it right. Still outside, still outside, still outside. Tell me pilot, still outside, still outside, still outside, still outside. God's plan, God's plan. I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Tryna keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back, sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good, sometimes I don't, yeah. I finesse down West Road, ayy. Say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mama, I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crashes to the party. And you know me, turn a 02 into a 03, dog. With a 40 Ollie, they be know me. Imagine if I never met the broskies. God's plan, God's plan. I can't do this on my own, ayy. Someone watching this shit close, yeah. I've been me since Scarlet Road, ayy. Sometimes I won't, yeah.
the type to rent a hotel room just to feel at home. I'm the type to rent a hotel room just to be alone. I got an issue with people pretending they like what they don't. Please don't bring up my issues unless you gon' deal with your own. Please don't try to pretend like you keep it real though. Yeah, it's funny how you got a lot of money, but that money doesn't buy you skills though. I don't care if I am on the billboards, on a killing spree, I'm about to kill more. Got a chain on, you paid a meal for. I mean, what you people even live for? I write raps, you steal yours, oh Lord. We just getting warmed up. Yeah, I said I was coming, I warned you. So close to the fans, I feel like they're riding my tour bus. You wanna know what I do in my downtime? They come to my fortress. I apologize for all the corpses. It's a mess right now, but I haven't had time to put the rappers in the coffins. Woo! Talking like 6 years, why you writing me now? I just turned 100K down just to keep the brand looking right now. I ain't bragging about the money, I'm just saying I ain't controlled by the bank account or the bank amounts. I'm a businessman, but don't touch my money, I don't play around. Lights out when the mic's out, about to hit the West Coast, hype crowd. I just put a record out, what you think about a pipe down now? I've been looking for a beat, look what I found. I mean everything that's coming out of my mouth. Try to tell me, yeah, I ain't had the right sound. Oh yeah, well, tell me what you think now. 2 records in the bag, I ain't done no. What's coming next here? Let me hear the drum roll. Don't flow, anybody wanna be the one to make an issue out of nothing? I'ma hit you on my iPhone. I know, I'm a little out of hand now. I ain't looking for a handout. You ain't like what I was doing last year, which is funny cause you looking like a fan now. Are you a fan now? I kinda miss being broke, now let me go back to my old days when I used to walk into high school and hand up my CD in hallways. I told all my teachers that I'd be a rapper, they smiled and looked at me, okay. That's a pretty nice dream, but you better get a real job, no way.
Push it to the limit. Push it to the limit. Port of Miami, port of my candy. Ain't got nothing to lose. We supporting the family. Never traffic for fun, only traffic for funds. All I seen was the struggle. It's like I'm trapped in the slums. Niggas was badly paid, no water